Hi everybody, good evening. It will be really nice if I think यहाँ पे majority लोग musician हैं. Most of them are, most of the people over here are musicians. And one thing is very important that we all need to understand is that music को silence नहीं मिले तो फिर music और शोर में कोई फर्क नहीं होता. So we need that silence. Can I request everyone to please be quiet? And before I get to my keyboard, I would like to compliment, I think, one of the finest composers of our time and the pride of our nation today, who's given us one of the most amazing title tracks ever, Jeet Ganguly. And I'm really privileged to take it further from there. And a lot of friends in the audience. So my song Humnava, I'd like to share a little bit about it. Mohit and me spend a lot of time talking about the song before किसी गाने पे आने से पहले, before getting the melody. और I think in the words of Mohit Suri, Humnava is a song of blossom. And I think let's hear it.
Put your hands together for Mohit Suri and Vidya Balan. It's told me something that is scaring me right now. But thank you so much for making it here. And thank you so much for attending your own music launch. What and where is Imran Hashmi?
Well, he missed the Air India flight also.
What?
He missed the Air India flight.
Hey, you got me my joke. Vidya, thank you so much for that. I want to put forward the first question to you. आप एक इतनी intense actor हैं, आपने इतनी बेहतरीन films की हैं, and then आपका जो ट्रेलर में जो इमोशन निकल के आ रहा है, it's almost as if the music is elevating every emotion. So what did you love most about the music when Mohit told you that ये सारे गाने आपकी फिल्म में आने वाले हैं?
Firstly, hi everyone. It's wonderful to see a full house. I think, you know, this music of Hamari Adhuri Kahani is tells the story of the film. I don't know how else to say it, and it all comes from the heart. When I heard Hamari Adhuri Kahani, the title track, I fell in love. I felt like this was the crutch I was going to hold on to help me perform the film. And every time I needed to get into the zone, it was Mohit's idea. He said, you just listen to this song. I guess every one of us has an Adhuri Kahani in our lives. So that's why you connect with the song, and that's why we're hoping you connect with the film.
So that's just the first song. Mohit made you listen to Hamari Adhuri Kahani. Then he's like, okay, we've come out with a second song. Then he makes you listen to Humnava. What is the emotion then? It just keeps getting better.
When I heard Humnava, I actually saw Imran Hashmi perform it, and I understood why girls fall in love with Imran Hashmi. He gets the best songs. No, I'm not taking away any credit from him, but it's a beautiful song. And yeah, it comes at a very beautiful place in the film. It's a turning point in the film. I think when you watch the film, of course, you'll know. But Humnava is an extremely... can you help me, Mohit? What is the word I'm looking for?
The only way to describe it, it's as not put as everything is, even though it's a song about falling in love, it's not, it doesn't just talk about that kind of romance which happens when you fall in love at first sight, but it's felt more, and you know it's going to live a lifetime and it's going to live forever. And that, I think that's the genius of what all my music directors have done in this film. For me, I worked in another direction with this film. I first went and spoke about the film and spent time with them, and as I kept shooting, each song kept coming by, and I would say they have co-directed this film for me. So thank you, all my music directors. Thank you very much.
Okay, wow. There's one question. These hands are the ones who chose certain films. certain directors.
Yeah, put my hand down.
Yeah, you can keep your hand down. Zahar, वो लम्हे, आशिकी, एक villain, आवारापन. Dude, how do you manage to choose such music?
You know,
Murder!
I just told him this as soon as I came up that I get scared whenever I see him because he keeps asking the same question to me and putting me this.
Because
And I keep telling him.
Mohit, you're paying yourself a compliment.
Yes,
I hope you realize that.
No, I get scared of answering this question because I don't have an answer for it usually.
he keeps like flying around the question but never answers it.
I don't have an answer for it. So today I openly admit this. I don't have an answer to this question. Suren, you're never going to get an answer to this question.
This is the last time I was asking you this.
I can only credit my music directors, my lyricists and my singers, the stars of my life. I would be nowhere if it wasn't for all these people. I'm standing here today. So thank you all so much for getting me here today.
Absolutely. I believe you. But it happens to be the official audio music launch, and Sony Music would like to commemorate us, not me alone, but Radio Mirchi. So can I have our CEO and MD, Mr. Prashant Pandey, Vidya? If you could.
Here I am again.
Mohit, Vidya, I would request your presence to give away the first set of awards. Now these are the golden discs. So I do the top 20, the Mirchi top 20, and when a song ends up staying in the top 5 for a minimum of 50 days, which is quite a lot with the kind of music that we keep getting now, it's fabulous. So we give the golden disc. So I want to call on the people who made the first song possible, क्योंकि दुनिया में एक टाइप के छोकरे होते हैं एंड इनको बड़ी डांट मिलती है, इनको पुलिस का डंडा मिलता है, इनको ठरकी छोकरे कहते हैं, लेकिन इनको अवार्ड कभी नहीं मिलता है. एंड टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू चेंज दैट. सो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, आवर फर्स्ट रेसिपिएंट ऑफ द गोल्डन डिस्क, द टीम बिहाइंड ठरकी छोकरो फ्रॉम पीके, स्वरूप खान. स्वरूप खान साहब आइए आइए आइए.
ओके, आप सबके सामने जल्दी से ठरकी छोकरो. हो आयो रे भाया रंगीलो मेहमान. अरे छोरा छोरी फर्क न समझे मारे सब छलांग. मरवाएगा तू ठरकी, पिटवाएगा तू ठरकी. अरे मत कर मत कर मत कर मत कर. अरे ठरकी छोकरो आयो रे बड़ के मारो मेहमान. अरे ठरकी छोकरो आयो रे बन के मारो मेहमान. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू रेडियो मिर्ची, आपको बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया ये अवार्ड के लिए. स्पेशली थैंक्स करना चाहूँगा राजू हिरानी जी को जिन्होंने ये गाना दिया. अजय तुल जी को थैंक्स जिन्होंने राजू हिरानी जी की हाँ में हाँ मिलाया और इतना अच्छा गाना बनाया. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू रेडियो मिर्ची. थैंक यू. सोनन किरके जी के लिए जोरदार तालियां. उन्होंने लिखा है और बहुत अच्छा लिखा है. थैंक यू.
Alright, that's the first golden disc that has gone out. भाई अब जो दूसरा golden disc है वो एक ऐसा गाना है जिसने नचाया नहीं, उतना नहीं नचाया, रुलाया बहुत, इमोट करवाया एंड 49 डेज के ऊपर रहा ऑन द नंबर 1 पोजीशन. एंड इस सॉन्ग को अगर अवार्ड ना मिले सो आई विल बिकम एक विलन. एंड द फर्स्ट टाइम आई रेड द नेम ऑफ द सॉन्ग आई डिडंट थिंक इट वाज गलिया, आई थॉट इट वाज गालिया. मुझे पढ़ रही है तेरी गालियां. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Ankit Tiwari, Manoj Muntashir for producing a fabulous song called Teri Galiyan.
अच्छा, मैं गा तो सकता नहीं हूँ. मोहित सर, a big thank you. Vidya, thank you for being here and honoring us with this disc. रेडियो मिर्ची सुनने वाले ऑलवेज खुश. और हमसे खुश कौन है इस वक्त? अंकित. मैं सिर्फ एक बात कहना चाहूंगा मिर्ची के सभी लिसनर्स के लिए. ये सब तभी मुमकिन होता है जब आप हमारा गाना सुनते हैं और बहुत दिल से सुनते हैं. डरे सहमे हुए लफ्जों में कुछ लिखा हमने, बने वो नगमे तभी जब तुम्हें पसंद हुए. डरे सहमे हुए लफ्जों में कुछ लिखा हमने, बने वो नगमे तभी जब तुम्हें पसंद हुए. हमारा कद तो कभी इतना बड़ा था ही नहीं, तुम्हारे कंधों पे बैठे तो हम बुलंद हुए. थैंक यू सो मच. अंकित, ओवर टू यू.
सबसे पहला थैंक्स अगर बनता है तो मोहित का बनता है एक्चुअली. और मेरी लाइफ का पहला टर्निंग पॉइंट अगर कहें तो आशिकी 2 था. माय सॉन्ग वाज सुन रहा है ना तू रो रहा हूँ मैं. उसके बाद सेकेंड टाइम विलन ऑफ कोर्स तेरी गलियां. मैं यही बोलूँगा मोहित कि यार आपने बहुत अच्छी नज़र कर ली थी. कर दे इधर भी तू निगाहें, जो लाइन थी वो बहुत फिट बैठती है हमारे आपके रिलेशन पे. मुझे एक प्रॉब्लम हो रही है कि मुझे ट्वीट आ रहे हैं और मुझे हक के ट्वीट पे मुझे मेरा नाम लिखा होता है, उसमें पूछते मेरा गाना क्या है. बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रही है. So thank you Mirchi, thank you for this, thank you Surain for calling me bro. Thank you guys, thank you so much.
Thank you. And Ankit, thank you so much. Manoj, thank you so much. Your award, it's completely deserving. The reason I'm saying it's Ghar Ki Murgi is because the next song, which is also the Golden Disc winner, happens to be again from the same film. Again, it's your film. Mohammad Irfan and Mithun for Banjara.
Banjara is a very, very special song for us. Myself and Mohit spent a lot of time discussing about this song. And it was a very simple expression कि मोहब्बत बहुत सी चीज़ें होती है ज़िंदगी में, but in this song किसी बेघर को पनाह मिल गई. That was the metaphor that we used. And I really enjoyed writing this song a lot, and it came with a lot of ease. And actually I started writing also because of Mohit Suri. And then when the song came up, it wasn't not one of the easiest songs to sing. And it was a very tough call ki who's going to sing this song. And then I called in Mohammad Irfan, and I think one of the finest vocal performances of our recent times has been Mohammad Irfan. And trust me, Banjara is not easy to sing. I'll be very, very happy to see Mohammad Irfan sing that song for all of us here right now. He's there. Don't let him go. We need a round of applause for the fabulous band over here. They have prepared our songs, and I would like to say that Dharmesh was my senior. He used to come to college, and I have learnt a lot from him.
Thank you, Mithun. Thank you so much. Thank you, Irfan. And to present the last award, Vidya and Mohit, all the connections coming. The next song is almost a song that threatens you. It's like Arnab Goswami would be singing this song purely because because it tells you तेरे होके रहेंगे दिल जिद पर अड़ा है. It orders you. Raja Natwarlal, Irshad Kamil. So where are you? Yuvan Shankar Raja, who's not here, and the man who's always invisible, Arijit Singh. Irshad bhai, if you could come on stage to collect the golden disc for Tere Hoke Rahenge from Raja Natwarlal.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Radio Mirchi, and thank you, KD, Kunal Deshmukh, and everybody who was involved in this movie. And more than that, thank you to the listeners who like this song. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, Irshad bhai. Thank you, Mohit. Thank you, Vidya. Thank you so much for coming here. And I hope you all the best. We love the music. It's doing so well. I hope the music, the film all come together and it's a smash hit. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Just last words. I think I've never had a song in the Mirchi Top 20 for a very long time. I'm guessing Hamari Adhuri Kahani will break that.
It's in the number five position already.
It started at number
yes,
5. I'm hoping it goes up and stays there for a long, long time. But before I leave, 12th of June, I'll see all of you in the theatres. 12th of June. Thank you. Love you. Bye.
Okay, to give away the next set of awards, another legend of the music industry. Can we please put our hands together for Mr. Roop Kumar Rathod, Mr. Nikhil Chaturvedi, and of course, Roop Kumar sir. The next golden disc that goes to the song, in the words of the singer, I'm not even telling you a story, in the words of the singer, he's so thankful that they used the actor's body and his voice and not the other way around. And it's a song that started a series of man crushes purely because it features Hrithik Roshan topless on a beach. And what else do you want? Ladies and gentlemen, the team behind Meherban, Vishal Shekhar, who are not here, Shilpa Rao, a singer, and the man who gave us that massive quote. His body, Hrithik Roshan's voice, not happening. Ash King. So you both will have to wait. Okay, now I'm not going to waste a single moment because there's a massive crowd that is gathering there. Ladies and gentlemen, the next Golden Disc Award winner, I only invited the musicians. This actor also turns up because he said it's my song. The team of Ji Karda featuring Varun Dhawan.
I have to say Badlapur has been the most special movie of my life, and I have to thank Sachin Jigar because this journey would not be complete without them. I think it's very easy for the actors who just come in front of the screen and take all the credit, but honestly the real heroes are these guys who create these tunes for us to express all this anguish. Even Divyak, who's come like an angel in my life, he's sung for me also in ABC2, has an amazing voice, so I'm going to request him to sing a little bit of Ji Karda for you guys.
I would, एक मिनट यार, एक मिनट. I would like to thank Varun कि कोई एक्टर ने किसी सिंगर को इतना प्रमोट नहीं किया जितना